you are gonna be learning about how to make a money airplane. Okay, so right now you have to fold it because it's a model, so then it will stand up like it's like this one. On the back, it's folded up, and then you undo it. Hit this. I'm putting down row again. You can do it whatever side you want, but I would suggest this side because more green. I don't know why. I just like green better. So, and then you will do this. Fold it like that, and then another one, so then you put this right here. So it looks like paper. And then the weird thing is, look, you gotta fold the whole thing, and then when you open it up, ta-da! Here's your paper airplane. You can look me up on YouTube. Nothing else but just YouTube. You can give me comments, whatever. So look me up on YouTube. This is my only video that I'm making for today, so you'll only see one video of me. By the way, my name is Luke. So see you next time. Bye.